Steve, where are we, mate?
Coldrum Long Barrow.
Coldrum Long Barrow. We're not there yet. Exactly. We can always do it for them, Steve. What is this, a Stonehenge of the South? I bet it is, mate. Oh, it's going to be great. Are you building yourself up for it, Steve? Very excited about this one. Can't hear ya.
When the excitement overwhelms me.
Oh, I love that little tingle. Is that it? What? My brother Jim said this was a good idea. Don't tell me that's all it is. Coldrum Long Barrow. Is it good, yeah? Would you just look at that? How good is it? Out of 10. You joking?
No.
That's actually alright, Steve. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
I said it's like Stonehenge but smaller.
Well, it ain't too bad though, Steve. I was expecting worse.
There you go. Now what's the history behind it then?
I don't know, mate.
I would have thought the people on the other end of the viewers they might want to know what it's about.
I don't know. I know it's a circle of stones. It's cool, Steve. Look.
My tingle's gone.
Your tingle's gone, is it, Steve?
That exciting tingle's gone.
Packing in. Someone's had a fire and everything. It's well exciting.
I wonder what the history behind it is.
It said on the sign, you didn't read it.
I didn't see something.
You didn't see the sign for it. What's all these about?
Oh, it's fucking some hippies.
Wait. You can't say that. Because it ain't got a kitchen, Steve. Look. Look at the tree.
Look at these stones, man.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? All the way.
They desecrate the tree. Someone's been doing some voodoo up there.
Oh, yeah. Someone's there for a beer. Whoop whoop.
Oh, I can think we're getting that one, we're doing.
Oh yeah, I was going to have a look at the bottom. Thanks. Go around that way to the right.
You're not loading this.
Yeah.
Should get a few views.
Should do, shouldn't it? There's a sign there, so.
Yeah.
Can you read?
No. Oh, is it a burial place?
Yeah. Oh yeah, 3000 BC.
Wow.
Actually, it was from the 1920s. You don't appreciate real history, do you, Steve?
I do.
You don't?
I do too. Doesn't
Think-
it anything about the person who's buried in that, does it?
I don't know, I didn't read it. Did it? Oh, here we go, Steve, look. It's the exciting stuff.
You know when someone sets you up for a blind date and they tell you that the person you're going to meet is going to be absolutely fantastic?
But you don't like it?
They're like disappointed.
It is what it is, Steve, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not that one day.
That's what it looked like before.
That was disappointed. Right, we're going to do something more interesting.
This is exploring.